Welcome back, guys and girls. Quick little tip: if you're working on an older vehicle that has actual shocks on the front and not struts, you've always got a nut up here, and this will either be a hex or it'll be what looks like a Torx bit. So you're supposed to hold this up here, take your nut loose with a wrench, and that doesn't always work. You know, sometimes they're rusted, they've been abused, whatever. Well, generally you can't hold this shaft with vice grips, a pipe wrench, you know, anything really, because it's hardened steel and it just won't bite in. So here's a trick for you. Take your angle grinder, grind 2 flats, one here, one on the opposite side. If all you have is a crescent wrench, you can grind that and then turn it with your wrench up top and put your crescent wrench in. I like that little pipe wrench because you know, it fits in there nice, and I can wedge it right up against the frame right there, and then all I have to worry about is taking the nut loose, and then it comes right off. I did oil these threads up. As you can see, they're rusty, you know, just for a little bit of extra insurance. But anyway, this is one way to do it, and I've tried all the others, guys, and you know, you put the vice grips on there and you think, boy, if you get them extra tight, what you end up doing is just ruining your vice grips.